The Pixel 10 series is no longer a mystery. A massive leak has given us the clearest look yet at Google's upcoming smartphones, the Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, and Pixel 10 Pro XL. These images reveal the design, colors, and small details of each model, all before Google's official launch on August 20th. A few days ago, leaker Evan Blass shared what many thought was the biggest Pixel 10 leak yet. But now, he's topped it with even sharper, more complete images. If his last leak was the mother of leaks, this one is definitely the father. These photos focus on the three main Pixel 10 models and skip other devices Google is expected to show, like the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, Pixel Watch 4, or Pixel Buds 2a. Let's start with the regular Pixel 10. It comes with a 6.3-inch display and an eye-catching new color called Limoncello. This bright yellow shade is bold and fun, a big change from the softer wintergreen color we saw with the Pixel 9. Limoncello is unique to the standard Pixel 10, meaning the Pro models won't have it. Instead, they'll stick with colors like indigo, frost, and obsidian. Indigo replaces last year's peony, frost replaces porcelain, and obsidian remains the classic black or dark gray option. Design-wise, the Pixel 10 looks very similar to the Pixel 9. It still has a triple camera setup on the back, a slim but sturdy frame, and the same button placement, power and volume on one side, the other side left plain. There are rumors the Pixel 10 might be slightly thicker and heavier than the Pixel 9, but that could be a good thing. The battery is expected to grow from 4,700 mAh to almost 5,000 mAh, which could finally help deliver Google's promised over 24 hours of battery life. Among the new colors, indigo seems to be the early fan favorite, followed by limoncello and obsidian. Frost is currently the least popular, but that could change when people see it in person. The Pixel 10 Pro and Pixel 10 Pro XL are going for a more subtle look. They'll be available in obsidian, porcelain, and moonstone. Nice, elegant colors, but not as exciting as the base model's limoncello. Many fans are a bit disappointed, especially since last year's Pixel 9 Pro had a striking rose quartz option. One interesting color, jade, is rumored to be available only for the Pixel 10 Pro XL, but it wasn't shown in the latest leaks. When it comes to design, the Pro models don't seem to change much from the Pixel 9 Pro lineup. The camera bar, bezels, and overall proportions look almost the same. Those hoping for a big visual refresh may be disappointed. On the hardware side, the upgrades seem modest. We might see slightly bigger batteries in the Pro models and possibly a small bump in charging speeds, an area where Google has lagged behind rivals. Any major changes are likely being saved for the official reveal. One important thing to note is that even though all three models will be announced on August 20th, not all of them will launch right away. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold, the largest and most expensive of the bunch, might not ship until October. From what we've seen, Google is keeping the safe and familiar design of the Pixel 9 but trying bolder colors, especially for the standard Pixel 10. The Pro models stick to safer, more professional shades while possibly improving battery life and charging. If the leaks are correct, the base Pixel 10 will come in limoncello, indigo, frost, and obsidian. The Pixel 10 Pro and Pro XL will come in obsidian, porcelain, moonstone, and possibly jade for the XL. Combined with the battery improvements, these new phones could be both stylish and more reliable for all-day use. With the launch just days away, it seems the event might be more about confirming what we already know rather than revealing big surprises. But Google may still have a few hidden features or announcements up its sleeve. Until then, these high-quality leaks give us our best look yet: bright colors, familiar design, and the promise of more power under the hood.